ladies and gentlemen, here we get ready to board.
On the way.
Nice Canadian train.
Let's see.
Huh?
Agawa Canyon.
We're ready
Here
to
we
go.
go.
September 3rd, here we go.
Agawa Canyon.
Here we go.
Choo-choo's coming around the track.
Oh, looks
Getting
like
ready.
we're gonna have a car to ourselves.
Oh, it's a biggie. It's a biggie.
Oh, she's doing the same thing.
Sure, get them in there. Here you go. Look at this. Comes a train.
Yeah.
We're going up into the Canadian hills, the Rockies. Where are we going?
Yeah, the Canadian Rockies. That's where we're headed.
We're going to the Hill District. That's a big train.
I want to ride in the front.
That's what maybe you'll like today.
They're not riding.
There you are.
Agawa Canyon tour train.
Agawa, there it is. Agawa. Wow. Everybody's running like they aren't going to get a
Look
seat.
at all these. They're all empty.
We got one car per person. That's great. Huh?
Yeah. Look at this.
Great.
That's a big train. There's a caboose. I see it.
Want to get on the Mongoose Laker
I don't know.
or the Kikadidi Lake?
Whatever. Get us our
Oh, we are assigned to Coach 2.
Coach 2.
That's up there.
Coach 2.
So that's down there.
Go ahead.
They're making up for the...
Coach 2. What is the number?
I mean, it said Coach 2's up here.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh, I thought it said Coach 2.
Everybody's going that way.
Coach 2's down there.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's 5.
Okay. That figures.
Yeah.
2 miles down the track.
Walk down.